Hello guys, you're welcome back to another episode of today's video. Uh, in this video, I'm going to bring to you the latest update on Satoshi Core. Okay, um, about some hours ago, okay, at the early hours of today, being the 1st of February 2023, CoreDAO has tweeted, as you can see on the screen, 7 days to go. As at yesterday, being the 31st of January 2023, they released a tweet uh, which shows the date for the launch of core, okay, for the airdropping date of the 25% of the total core mined by every individual. So this is a clear indication that the countdown has already started, okay, counting from 8. Okay, today now is 7th, and probably tomorrow it's going to be 6th. So the days are counting down already. Okay, guys, so let us all anticipate to the 8th of February when trading will commence. Now, a lot of interesting tweets has been made by some top exchanges in the crypto space, which includes the MEXC exchange, the HUOBI exchange, and BYBIT exchange platforms. Okay, now in confirmation of this, let's quickly search through. Let's start with MEXC exchange. Let us see the tweet which they made. Okay, now as you can see on this screen, okay, as you can see on this screen, the MEXC Global Exchange they have tweeted about listing of core. Okay, as you can see it on the screen, they have tweeted about listing of core. They say that MEXC will list CoreDAO in the innovation zone and open trading for core against USDT trading pair. Okay, now this deposit will be opened on the 12th, sorry, on 8th of February around 12 o'clock. Okay, call against USDT. This is the tweet, as you can see it on the screen. This is the tweet, okay, which MEXC exchange, which they tweeted. Okay, now let's search for the HUOBI exchange. Okay, these are top exchanges in the crypto space, all right, that have announced their listing of core and commencement of trading. Okay, this is HUOBI Global Twitter handle. So let us go down. Okay, look at it. At about 8 hours ago, as you can see here, at about 8 hours ago, they tweeted 7 days to go that HUOBI is going to list core. Okay, HUOBI is going to list core still on the same date as MEXC exchange. Okay, on 8th of February. Okay, so that is for HUOBI. Now let us quickly search through BYBIT. Okay, let's search through BYBIT and see the tweets which they made about listing and trading of core. Okay, now this is a BYBIT Twitter handle. Okay, let's scroll through and see. Let's scroll through. Okay, now this is the tweet. Okay, this is the tweet. Okay, they say call against USDT is coming soon on February 8, 2023 at exactly 12 p.m. UTC. In the meantime, deposit for core is open. Okay, now let's call to mind. This is the tweet which they made about the integration during core mainnet. Okay, supporting core DAO. Okay, this was the tweet which they made on the 23rd of February, sorry, of January 2023. Okay, guys, these are interesting news that has come up recently. The tweets that was made, the information that was released by these top global exchange platforms. Okay, now the interesting thing is, CoreDAO, they are aware of all these legit exchanges, and they have. Let's quickly go to CoreDAO. Okay, you see all these tweets that has been made by these top exchanges have been acknowledged by CoreDAO. By having CoreDAO themselves retweeting, okay, this is the retweet CoreDAO made about the tweet of MEXC Global Exchange listing Core against USDT on February 8th at exactly 12 p.m. Okay, now let's scroll down and see. Okay, now this is for HUOBI. This is for HUOBI Global Exchange. As you can see, CoreDAO acknowledged it by retweeting what they've tweeted. The same thing goes to this BYBIT Global Exchange. Okay, exchange wallet. Look at it. CoreDAO has retweeted their tweet. Okay, so this shows that this information they are legit. Okay, they are legit. So guys, we have a great hope. We have a great hope, and another interesting thing here is the tweet that was made by the MEXC Global Exchange. I think they opened a kind of a pool, a reward pool, whereby they will give away about $3,000 to those who deposit their core on their platform. Okay, yeah, this is the tweet. Okay, the tweet was made around okay, still on first. It's still today's date, okay, and it was made towards around the afternoon. That's around the 1:32 p.m. Okay, look at it here. Core will list on MEX at 12:00 on this date. Deposit of core to share $3,000. Wow, this is wonderful. This is wonderful, guys. This is wonderful. Okay, for core global, for MEX Global Exchange to open this reward pool of $3,000 to those who will list, or rather who will deposit core on their exchange platform. Okay, to show you that obviously most of these exchanges, they do not even have core, so they depend on we who are core holders, who mine core and have core in our possession. Okay, now without we depositing, they will not have access to this, and that is why we've always advised. That's why I've always suggested, not a financial advice though, but I've always suggested on my platform, my YouTube channel, my WhatsApp, my Telegram group, to all my followers, do not quickly rush to sell your core. Do not quickly rush to sell your core. A lot of exchanges are coming up. As of today, being the 1st of February 2023, a lot of exchanges, they have indicated interest on starting trading of a core. About 8 different exchanges have indicated interest on supporting core, on listing core. Okay, but as of today, 3 exchanges have declared that they are going to start trading on 8th of February 2023. Now there is another interesting part which I want to show to you guys. Okay, my followers, it is very, very interesting. When I saw this, I was like, wow, that this core, it's wow. Let me not say, but there is a great hope. Okay, to all holders, to all who have mined, to all who have core in their possession right now, there is a great hope. Now let us quickly go to HUOBI wallet. So I want to quickly open my HUOBI wallet, my HUOBI exchange. Let's see. Okay, I was going through today and I was so marveled with what I saw there in HUOBI exchange wallet. I was like, wow. Comparing Ethereum, BTC, BNB with Core, what I discovered was so wonderful. It was so wonderful, guys. I'm going to show you. Okay. Okay, so guys, I am here at my HUOBI, or rather in my HUOBI exchange wallet exchange platform. Okay, now let me quickly go to assets. Okay, this is where I am. Let me go to assets under here. I click on assets, then let me click on deposit. Okay, as you can see it on the screen, this is deposit. Let me click on deposit. Okay, and see. Now let me search for core. On this search bar, let me type for core. Okay, this is core, CoreDAO. As you can see, you see the logo there, right? Good, let me click on it. Then there is something interesting I saw. There is something very, very interesting I saw. Guys, now take a look at this. Guys, take a look at this. Now, this is the minimum deposit for core. Can you just imagine? We have here 0.00000012345 6 zeros before 1. This is the minimum deposit for core in HUOBI exchange wallet. Now guys, compare this with, let us check, let us search for, okay, let me go back to deposit and see. Let us search for BTC. Okay, let us choose any random network. Okay, then now guys, take a look at this. I want you to pay attention to this, guys. Pay attention to this. This is the minimum deposit for BTC. I mean the almighty BTC. This is the minimum deposit for BTC, 0.0005. That is just 3 zeros before 5. And remember what we just saw on Core. Core has 6 zeros before 1. I don't know whether you are going along with me. Core has 6 zeros before 1 as the minimum deposit, while BTC has just 3 zeros, then 5. Okay, now let us compare it. Let's compare this with ETH. Let's check that of Ethereum. Okay, hold on a bit to show you what we are anticipating. Okay, to show you what we are expecting. Now let me choose a random network and see what we have here. Now guys, take a look. Take a look at this. Check and see the minimum deposit for ETH. Guys, take a look at this. The minimum deposit for ETH, 0.01. Guys, 0.01. Okay. Now let us finally, sorry, I'm trying to make you understand what's the probable value of this core which we are waiting for. Now let's check BNB. Okay, on the search bar, let me type BNB and see the minimum deposit for BNB. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, the minimum deposit for BNB is almost the same with that of Ethereum. We have 0.01 BNB. This is the minimum deposit for BNB. Okay, the previous one we saw was for ETH, which is 0.01 as well, and that of BTC, which is 0.0005. Then finally, that of Core gave us 0.0000. That is 6 zeros before 1. Wow. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay, this project, it is going to be massive. It is going to make millionaires. Okay, this project is going to make a lot and lots of millionaires. Although we do not know how other exchanges might list Core as regards to their minimum deposit amount. Okay, but with what we have here, oh God, this price is going to be massive. Okay, the price is going to be massive. So guys, I advise you, I suggest, I'm not a financial advisor, but I will suggest, okay, to all my followers, do not rush to sell your core. All right, once core launches, a lot of people are waiting. We are not talking of people who are ready to invest thousands of dollars. We are talking of people who are ready to invest millions of dollars. There are lots and lots of exchanges who exchange companies that are ready to invest in core, to buy from you who have mined core, who has core in possession. So guys, do not play with what you have. Even if you have as little as one core, guys, as little as one core, guys, do not rush to sell. Do not rush to sell. Secure what you have. Okay, secure what you have. Once core is launched, we anticipate that in a week time, let's say in less than 24 hours, the price might have doubled. Okay, we may even be getting times 10, times 50, times 100, if possible, as the case may be, depending on the market trend. Within a week, okay, we may get multiples of the price as at when it is listed. Okay guys, so do not rush to sell. I have dropped the video in my YouTube channel on how to delegate your core. Okay, the best way to save is for you to delegate your core. The best way to earn from core is for you to delegate your core. Okay, and do not rush to send your core to some of these exchanges who are waiting for us. The interesting thing, or rather the shocking thing I want to let you know is that some of these exchanges, when they buy from you, for instance, let's say $500, $1,000, okay, for instance, do you understand? If you want to sell in that exchange, there is never a way they are going to sell up to such amount to you. Okay, they will now sell based on maybe depending on the market cap at that very point in time. Okay, or the market trend at that very point in time. So guys, do not rush to sell your core. Always learn to delegate, learn how to swap. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Okay guys, and so some of these exchanges that have indicated interest in listing core or opening trade for core on the 8th of February. Okay, I'm going to drop the link in the description so that if you've not registered, okay, you can use the link in the description to register. HUOBI Global Exchange, MEXC Global Exchange, and BYBIT Global Exchange. Okay guys, this is the best platform where you can get information relating to core. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, quickly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on the notification bell so that each time I upload interesting videos on my YouTube channel, you get notified and you watch through. Feel free to share my videos, okay? If you have any question at all relating to core, drop it at the comment section and I'm going to respond to that. Okay guys, feel free to share my videos, comment, all right, like my videos, okay, and anticipate more. Okay, now remember guys, this is the screen, this is the live screen of my Satoshi mining app. Okay, so remember always to click on this claim button each time you log in. Remember to click on the claim button to claim your airdrop, because once it gets to 25 rounds, it's going to suspend your account until you log in and activate it. Okay, then always remember to each time you log in, you click on add project. Sorry, you click on project, tap on the first coin. Okay, click on claim hash, then always click on these. Okay, once this time exhausts, okay, once it reaches 00, you see the button claim. Okay, you see the button claim, please. You try and click on that claim to claim your 50k hash. This you do every 24 hours. Okay guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Guys, remain with me, okay, by subscribing to my YouTube channel to get more updates. Hope to see you in my next video once again. Bye.